Hi everyone, I'm Lisa and welcome to Lisa's Stamp Studio. Each month I provide a card making kit for you to put together at home. You can use your own supplies or you can order what I use to make your cards exactly like mine. This is not a club and there is no monthly commitment. It's just a fun way for you to stamp with me from home. I'm here today to show you the completed cards for this month's card kit. So let's head over to the stamp table. This month's card kit is going to revolve around the Winter Woods bundle, which is the stamp set and the coordinating dies. It's available in either clear or wood mounts, but I'm going to give you the pre-cut supplies to make 8 cards, to each of the 4 designs I'm going to show you here. Again, if you want your cards to look exactly like mine, I have a list of all the supplies I used over on my blog. I'll put the link in the description of this video below if you're here from YouTube. I'll provide the pre-cut supplies for you to make 2 of this card, as well as 2 of this card. Again, I'll include the embossed paper as well as the other cardstock layers. You can see that I've also used some twine and some rhinestones. I'll include the pieces for you to die cut as well, and 2 of this one. Stamping with me from home is very easy because everything is pre-cut and ready to go. I'll include a video and a PDF tutorial for you to stamp right along with me so you can work at your own pace. To get your free pre-cut supplies, you'll need to place a $50 product order before shipping and tax between very specific ordering dates of November 7th and November 10th. You must use the exclusive host code. It's the only way I know you're entitled to the free pre-cut supplies. I have a promised mail date no later than November 17th. So we've got a quick turnaround time so you can enjoy putting your cards together over the Thanksgiving weekend, right in time for the holidays to kick off. These cards are both elegant and beautiful, making them easy for you to accomplish. You do not have to be a seasoned stamper because I'll walk you through the process when I include the video. All my customers also receive an added bonus, and that's a private invitation to join me on a Facebook group called Live with Lisa. There I hold a private event where I provide numerous demonstrations, a bundle of tutorials, and product prize giveaways. But if you're not on Facebook, don't worry. Just let me know when you place your order and I'll be happy to send you the video recording and the tutorials over email. And of course, your name is still included in the product prize giveaway drawings. I hope you'll join us for the November card kit, the Winter Woods bundle.